Hello guys! Welcome to part 2 again. Sherman, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Let's go!
Wait.
Okay, what are you doing? I'm going to sit down. You're taking so long, Sherman.
I'm so sorry. Let's
Let's
go.
Hurry up!
Okay, no problem.
But can you like and subscribe before we play?
Yeah.
And this is part 2. If you never watched part 1, go watch it.
Hey Noah. Let's
Where are
go
you?
upping. Oh no, it's starting.
Sherman, what did you get?
Innocent.
I got innocent too.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, Sherman.
Hi.
Never mind, I got murder.
No way. You killer me.
Yeah.
I'm a star. You kill? Oh my god.
I still not victory. What? Where is this guy? I think he's AFK or hiding over here. Sherman, can you watch him? Okay. I think it's over to the. I think in the basement.
Yeah.
Let's go look for the basement. Where are you?
Hey.
Oh wait, what's up, guy? What's up, little guy? I'm Victory! Sorry, Sherman. Hey, Sherman! Sherman!
Why?
Let's go! Hurry up! Holton! Over here! Why are you not talking to me?
No.
No.
Sorry.
Why? I'm going to jump on your head. Sherman, what did you get? What did you get?
I need innocent. Oh my gosh.
Sabi mo, Sherry.
I need Sherry.
I am Sherry.
I am Sherry.
Where are you? Go.
Like this.
I cannot find you, Sherman. The murder.
What?
Please go. Look, the murder. I think it's over there.
What?
Oh, my friend going. My friend is going. The murder is right down there, Sherman.
Why?
Let's go over here. The murder is right down there. Down there.
Down.
The murder is right down there. Let's go to the Where is the murder? Ow.
Why the murder?
Ano was the murder? Where is the murder? Where is the murder?
Who is the murder?
Lakasan mo.
Who is the murder?
Right there, the second floor. Shaming is coming up. Let's go.
Oh my
Go
God.
down. Go down. Jump. Jump, Shaming. I told you now. You have to jump.
Jump? Okay. No problem. Jump.
The murder, Shaming. It's behind you. I got the gun there. Why it didn't work?
I'm sorry.
I think we trade later. I want this tonight. Where am I? Let's go, guys. Our hero has saved the day. Factory. A Kevin. Never mind.
Oh my God.
Can I? Ow. Oh, hello, Sake. There's a lot of people. What did you get? I got innocent. Innocent?
Me too.
Swimming, get out of there. You have to get out of there. Where are you, though? Where are you, Swimming? I think he's the murder. Where are you, though? It's you again, Mr. Hot Dog. Never mind, it's not Mr. Hot Dog. Let's go. If you want to friend, like and subscribe. Wow! Who is the murderer? Everyone seen a murder though. I think I just go up in this building. Swimming, why did you jump up? Ow, it's too hard to jump. Hey, Swimming, look at me. I got up here.
Oh, you. Oh no. Good job.
Where is the murder? This took me forever. Where is the murder? One of you guys is the murder. Sherman, are you still alive? Why is there no murder? Shoot someone, Sheriff.
Oh no. It's the girl.
Okay, I know who's the murder. It's right there, chasing me. The sheriff is outside. Give me your gun, Sheriff. Oh my, I'm not the murderer. Who's right there? Help me out. My leg. I think I broke my leg. Just a joke. We not only two got die. Never mind. Sherman, follow me.
Why?
Let's go over here. Let's go. Look. Like this. We go inside this secret. Hello, Sherman. You made it.
What is that?
Look, there's some people right there. Oh my, the TV is broke. Look,
Me.
look.
Yeah.
I wonder what everyone is doing. They're already victory. I think I broke my leg. I wanna jump on your head from boom bump. Sorry, no. Okay. Where are you, Sherman? Hello, Sherman. I mean, ouch. We out. We out. Ow, 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 ow. You're so silly. Hey, Sherman, let's go. Follow me. Let's go. Follow me. Just follow me, Sherman. I think it's the murder, though. Come. Sherman, the murder was right behind you. I also got killed. We're not good at this. Right?
Yes. Yes. Right.
So, everyone, bye. Like and subscribe. If you want more video, subscribe.